Yes, Nathan. You done feeding Mary? I think she wants some more now that you started. You really can't stop. Why don't you go get her some more applesauce? Cookie Monster is helping to make the movie, everybody.
Hey!
Hey, Nate, hold on.